Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with, I think, quite a large Tuesday morning haul. And you know, sometimes you go to Tuesday morning and there isn't a lot there. You end up buying stuff just because you went there. Well, today was not that day. Today was a day where I was really shocked. First of all, they had tons. And when I say tons of 6x6 paper packs. I only got the ones I really wanted, so either ones I didn't have or ones I really, really liked. So first thing was this Girl Squad. I may or may not have this. I might have gotten it from Peachy Cheap when they'd had it a while ago. I can't really remember, but super duper cute. It reminds me of Emoji Love. It's the 6x6. It's from Pebbles. It's $2.99. The number for this is 1980695. So that was a good deal. They had a ton of like Cartabella and Echo Park. Not as much Cartabella. So I don't have this Soak Up the Sun by Cartabella. The number for this is 1994850 and it's $2.99. And then I got this Cartabella, Warm and Cozy, $2.99, 2020534. I got this Cartabella. It's a celebration. I mostly got the Cartabellas because I do have a lot of Echo Parks. 1994851. It was $2.99. I mostly got Cartabella. I got this Cartabella, but they had tons of Echo Park. This is So Lovely. I've never had this one. $2.99. 2020530. And I got this Cartabella, Summer Lovin', $2.99, 1994852. They had all the birthday 6x6, Jack and Jill from Echo Park, bunch of other ones. They had quite a lot of Echo Park. I did buy this one. I can't remember if I've had this one or not, but I do like to have one cooking one in my stash. This one is $2.99, 1994855. And then My Mind's Eye. So I got this one called Oh What Fun. And I also got a bunch of stuff that goes with this too, which I'll show you guys. It's $2.99, 1995876. I got this one, which I was super excited about. So this is a gold and silver double-sided, lots of foiled paper. Really, really beautiful paper. $2.99, 1995877. And that date on that one says September 2018 up here, which I think all of My Mind's Eye says that. The rest of them say either 7 or 8/18, meaning that I don't know if they were meant to come out that month or what. Then they had this My Mind's Eye Filled with Love, which I've never had this one. Super excited to get this one. It doesn't just have to be Valentine's Day because, you know, I feel like these colors are pretty universal. 1995879. It's $2.99. And then I felt like super duper excited for some reason to find Graphic 45. This was the only one they had. It's 8x8. Off to the Races. Graphic 45, $3.99, 2020841. It says its regular price is $12, so I feel like that was a pretty good deal. And then I found the 6x6 Patterns and Solids Off to the Races, 36 sheets, and these just kind of go with it. And this is $2.99, 2020840. Normally $7.50 is what they're saying. Don't know, if I agree or not with that. I have to clean up this area too. I'm going to kill myself because I've got so much stuff. Okay, let me get on with it. I've got this. I'm going to pull this camera out a little bit so you can see this. This is a 12x12 My Mind's Eye, and it comes with 6 sheets of double-sided paper and a coordinating sticker sheet. And this is the Oh What Fun. The number for this is 1995891. It's $2.49. I actually ended up getting 2 of those because I had 2 of them because I feel like sometimes you need just a little bit more paper than what they give you. And then I found this one. Look how pretty it is. The number for this is 199 5893. It's $249. Look how pretty. And then this one is called Christmas on Market Street. So pretty. I'm so excited to get that. I did break down because it was there and I just felt like I had to. I got the Graphic 45 12 by 12 patterns and solids because I figure patterns and solids, you can use this for other things. Possibly other collections of Graphic 45 will go with this. And this is the Off to the Races. The number for this is 2020844, $5.99, which I thought was a really, really good deal. They had tons of these Doodle Bug value packs. And, I just didn't really want them. I don't know. I don't know what the deal is. I just wasn't feeling it. But I really like this. I love the red, white, and blue. I love the mason jars. I do like to have sort of happy, fun 4th of July stuff in my stash. $4.99, 2010163. And then one of these little doohickeys kind of fell out of its thing. Cozy Christmas, they had this My Mind's Eye chipboard pack. $1.99, 1995890, normally $5.99, which I thought was just super, super cute. So I got that. That's my first box of stuff. I'm telling you, man, I'm having like no place to even walk in here. So I'm on to my next bag of goodies of things I found. There's just so much there. I don't know. I broke down and bought this. This is the first time I've seen this there. And this is the mini envelope punch board. I do love my regular size punch board, but I believe you can make really tiny ones. I don't know how tiny you can go, but I find that sometimes my regular punch board's a little limiting. Like I want something smaller and I don't know how to do it. So the number for this is 1968884. Normally $14.99. It was $6.99. You could probably do similar with a coupon, but I was there, so I got it. I did find this. I was hoping to find the Halloween one. That is not going to balance. I was hoping to find the Halloween one, but they didn't have it. So they did have this. This is the Cling foam stamps. And I saw some people had found some alterations, but I didn't find those either. Dies. I wish I did. I love those. $2.99, 1957966. Normally it's $10.99. And these are all foam stamps, which I don't really use a lot of, but you can use these really in your art journals because they take paint really well. And then I don't even know exactly what these are or even what I'm going to use them for. They're called deco sheets. I'm going to have to look it up and see what people have used these for, but these were just super cool. This is Tim Holtz, and it's Christmas Noel, and it's just shiny, beautiful paper. And 1957985, $1.99, normally $4.99, and it's just gorgeous. And then this one is a silver and a gold. So I could just use my die cuts and cut things out of it because it's beautiful. I really liked that. I did buy these gold doilies. I think they're kind of expensive, but I thought they were beautiful. $1.99, 1962766. And this one has like little embossed flowers on it. I'm sure this one does too. It's just beautiful. And then they had tons of embellishments. So I kind of broke down and bought these because these are so expensive to buy normally. So this is $3.99 and this is $1.49 for these layered stickers. And this is 1988451. This is Snow Fun. I want to say I have this collection. Joyful. And I think that this would go really well with that Market Street Christmas collection I got from My Mind's Eye. It's just really beautiful. These are puffy stickers, and they're $1.99. They are normally $4.99, and the number for this is 1995881. And then I got these, which are I Love Winter layered stickers, $1.49. And these are 1988470. You could also use these to make cards, which is what I might do. And then I got these layered stickers. So I know I have some of these winter collections, so I'll have to find them because these are really nice to use in your albums. And this is $1.49 and it's 1988469. And then I was really excited for this one. This one is a Richard Gray from the Noteworthy collection. It's 5 stamps and 2 dies. It was $7.99, normally $24.99, which seems like a lot. The number for this is 1985742, and the dies that you get are the Hello die and this envelope. And that was what really sold me, was it had this cute envelope and the die, because I think these words all fit in there, but you could put other things there too, which I thought was really adorable. So that's kind of why I got that one. Kind of sold me on that. And then enamel shapes. So I don't even recall seeing these, but they had a bunch of these enamel stickers or enamel shapes, but they're adhesive, so I guess they're stickers. They're super, super nice. They're so cool. And they had a bunch of them. So 1988467 is $1.49, and this is the A Perfect Winter. But all that, like Echo Park winter collections, all go together. And then I always pick up envelopes because I find envelopes expensive, and I hate searching all over the place for an envelope, even though I know I can make an envelope. But I'm always in a hurry just to grab an envelope when I'm out the door going to a party or putting something in the mail. So it's convenient. And these are, you get 50 A2 size envelopes in white for $2.99. I think it's a good deal. 1962781. I'm pretty set for envelopes because I can always use them for other things too. And then these giant chipboard stickers. This is Deck the Halls. $1.49 for these, which I think is really, really cool. And I think they look awesome on tags. They really can make your tags look awesome. $1.49, 1988440. And then I got these. These are Bow Bunny Jewels. And I just really like these because they're colors that I don't have. They're just this royal blue and then this light blue, and they all go with that winter collection too. So it's $1.49. It's 1988835. And I think those are beautiful. And here are some more of the enamel shapes. This one is 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. $1.49, 1988459. And like I said, they are just so beautiful, these enamels. I got the enamel phrases, which is A Perfect Christmas by Lori Whitlock. $1.49, 1988475. And they had tons of these, and they are just gorgeous. Beautiful. And they would look great on an album, on a card, on a tag. I think they just are beautiful. And then from the I think it's the Oh What Fun collection, it looks like it. Oh What Fun, this is by Mind's Eye. And these are just funky little dots, which I think are adorable. And they're $1.99, 1995883, which is kind of expensive for that, but the normal price for it's $4.99, so I don't know, what the heck. I always buy enamel dots because I can always use them, and they're freaking expensive. So 1988464, $1.49, normally $4.99. And then that one is 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, and then this one is A Perfect Christmas, so it's a little bit different. And this one comes with black. And the number for this is 1988437. And then I also got the Perfect Winter enamel dots. And these ones are 1988466. Also, I got the Oh What Fun enamel dots, which were more money. Don't know why they were more. $1.99, 1995885. So that's cool. And then I was able to find the journal cards. I only had one of these. So super excited to get those because they go with my collection that I got. And the number for this is 1995884. It was $1.99, so that was good. And then I broke down and got these. I really love these. These just are nice to throw on a tag or a card, or you just don't have time to kind of make something because they are acrylic. Heidi Swap acrylic. They only had one of these, and these are just fabulous. And I really like them a lot. They're really beautiful. So the number for this is 2023818, and they're $1.49. And then I am not done yet, almost so. Almost. So I did break down and get these because I do have a lot of sprays. These are the Tattered Angels Glimmer Mists. I think that when I'm in a hurry to do like an art journal page or something like that, these are really great for that, but I really love the colors. So these were $9.99, normally $24.95, and they're a 5-pack, 1972498. And it's like blue diamond, forest something or other, metallo green. I don't know. They're really beautiful. So I broke down and got those. And then the last thing, I was really excited to find these because normally I just see the glitter. I rarely ever see the embossing powders. And my embossing powder collection actually is the one thing that I have in my collection that is sadly lacking. And so these all have a metallic finish. So they're kind of like a glittery sort of look. This one says a metallic finish. $2.99. And I gotta tell you, if you go to Simon Says Stamp, this Zing embossing powder is stinking expensive. So 2019087 for the red. And then I got green. And this number, it's a powder green, embossing powder green, $2.99. 2019089. So I'm excited about that. They had gold, which also says metallic, but obviously. That one was 2019083. And then this one is an opaque finish, and it's this beautiful powder rose. It's 2019067. So excited for that. And then this one looks super glittery, and I thought it was glitter, and then I looked at it again, and it said it was embossing powder with a glitter finish in this blue. So I had to get it because I thought it'd be super fun to try out. And the number for this is 2019079. And so that is my haul. And I got to tell you, it's a 17-minute video and I talked really fast. There's a lot of stuff here. So I'm hoping that you all get lucky at your Tuesday morning. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with the Heart.